Hello everyone, welcome back. This will be the lesson 2 worksheet for 7th grade. So we're going to be starting off with solving linear systems by graphing. First off, if you're given an equation like this and not in y equals mx plus b form, you want to make the equation to this form, okay? So let me give you guys an example here. We're given negative x plus y is equal to negative 7, okay? We want to isolate the y since its y is equal to. So we have to add x to each side. And once we do that, if we were to add x, it cancels out and add x here. And then we end up with x minus 7, okay? Let me organize this. So y is equal to x minus 7. If we were to graph that, or actually first, now let's make this other equation. X plus 4y is equal to negative 8 into y is equal to mx plus b form, okay? So let's move the x first, so minus x minus x. Now we have 4y is equal to negative x minus 8. And now we want to isolate the y, so we divide by 4, okay? 4 cancels out, divide by 4. So now we have y is equal to, we can also write this, negative x over 4 minus 2, all right? So now let's graph both of these. So first we have y is equal to x minus 7. So first, let's say x was 0. That means y is equal to negative 7. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's way at the bottom. So we can fit this graph. Let's say it's 1, then it's negative 6. And 2 will be negative 5, right? Just keeps going. So now can make a line like that, okay? Now we have this graph over here. Now let's say x is 0, then y will be negative 2, okay? So 0 comma negative 2 is over here. Then let's say we have 1, x is 1. So it'll be negative 2.25, which is about over here. Then let's say it was 2, will be 2.5. And we can infer that it'll end up at 3. Sorry. It'll end up over here. Okay. So if we make a straight line, something like this, okay. Now we just need to find the point of intersection, okay, which is over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, okay. So that's 4 comma negative 3. Now remember, as always, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, okay? So this is the x, this is the y, okay? You guys could try the rest on your own. Some of these are more simple. For example, with this one, they already gave it to you in y is equal to mx plus b form. And then some others, you have to put it in this form over here. Okay, now let's move on to this part. Tell whether the ordered pair is a solution to the linear system. So they already give you coordinates over here. Okay, 5 comma 2, remember, it's an x comma y form, okay? Now, in order to see if it's a solution, all we have to do is input it into the equation. So we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now let's input it. 2, x is 5, minus 3, y is 2. is equal to 4. Now let's do this. 2 times 5 is 10, minus 3 times 2 is 6 is equal to 4. That's correct. 4 is equal to 4. Okay. Now let's try for the other one. 2x plus 8y is equal to 11. 2, 5 plus 8 is equal to 11. 2 times 5 again, 10, plus 8 times 2, 16 is equal to 11. No, because 10 plus 16 is 26. Okay, so it does not equal 11. So this ordered pair over here, this ordered pair is not a solution. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's try one more. Let's try this one over here. Okay, so we have x minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay. So x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now let's input these coordinates. So negative 2 minus 2, y is 1, is equal to 0. Negative 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Nope. Negative 4 does not equal 0. Okay. Now let's try this one. 6x plus 5y is equal to negative 7. So negative 2 is x. Y is 1. Is equal to negative 7. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. Plus 5 times 1, which is 5, is equal to negative 7. Yes, because negative 7 is equal to negative 7. So this works. This one doesn't, which means the ordered pair would not be a solution because it doesn't work for both of these equations. So you guys can try the rest on your own and have fun. I'll be seeing you guys next week. Good luck.